What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add the Strava widget to your iPhone. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So with the recent Strava mobile app updates, we were treated with a host of new features, and one of these long overdue and welcome features was access to an iOS widget for Strava that lets you monitor your weekly stats. This widget provides users of Strava a really quick and easy way to check what their weekly readouts are. So, the first step in making sure that you have this widget on your iPhone is to make sure you have the latest version of Strava installed on your iPhone. So to do this, what you want to do is go into the App Store and you want to look up Strava. And you want to make sure you have the latest version of Strava updated on your iPhone. Once you have Strava updated, you want to make sure you open up the app and log in to your Strava account. From there, you can go about adding the actual Strava widget to your iPhone. So to do so, what you want to do is find the space on a home screen on your iPhone that you'd like to add the Strava app. From there, you want to long hold press on the free space on your home screen. And then after you do that, you notice that the apps will start jiggling, which means you can now add a new widget to your iPhone. You can click the top left corner here, and then you'll be able to access the available widgets. What you want to do is type in search widgets, and you want to type in Strava, and you'll be able to find the Strava app from there. After you select the Strava widget, you can go ahead and click on Strava, and then you can cycle through the readouts and a preview of what the widget looks like. As you can see, it's a weekly progress widget where you can see your weekly progress at a glance and track your goals. So from there, you want to add widget, and then you'll see that the placement of the Strava widget will be placed on an empty home screen space on your phone. After you have the widget where you like it, what you can do is press done, and now the widget is installed on your home screen. You'll notice that if you actually tap on the widget, it opens up a more complete version of the app where you can track your stats further. So there you have it, everyone, just a quick way of adding the Strava widget to your iPhone. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.